Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that you cannot miss our future uploads. Today is very much special because we are going to talk about how to start your Shopify online store right here in Kenya by just using AI tools with little to no capital. Yes, you heard me right. No shop rent, no big stock, no big websites, just your smartphone or laptop, an internet connection, and a little bit of commitment. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will show you step by step on how to start a Shopify store here in Kenya. Let me ask you a question. How many people do you know who shop today online using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Jumia, or even WhatsApp? Almost everyone. E-commerce is growing very fast here in Kenya. And imagine this. What if you combine this with artificial intelligence tools? So you may ask me a question, Mose. How will AI help me here? Now AI plays a crucial role here. AI will help you to find products, write product descriptions, talk to customers, create ads, and even design your websites instead of having too many people. AI works for you. That's why this business model is very much powerful. Most people think that starting a Shopify store here in Kenya, you just need a lot of capital, expensive tools. But let me show you what you need here. Number one, if you have a smartphone or a laptop, an internet connection, an email address, an M-Pesa account, either PayPal or Payoneer, that is it. You just only need these things to start your online shop. No office, no workers, no warehouse. Shopify is a platform that helps you to create an online shop easily. This Shopify gives you a website, payment systems, order management. You can also track your sales. And the best part with Shopify is that even if you don't know coding, you can still use this platform. And they give you a free trial so that you can start without paying immediately. So let me show you exactly how to create your account. So step one, go to shopify.com, then click start a free trial. Create an account using your email address, then set up a password. Then you can choose a simple name like Deals Kenya, Dukala Online. You can choose something like Royal Shop Kenya or Online Shop Kenya. Then you are done. You now have a store. So let me teach you how to use AI to find winning products that you can put into your online store. And this is very much important because your success depends on the products that you sell on your store. Now, popular tools that you can use, we have ChatGPT, we have TikTok Creative Center, we have How.ds, Google Gemini, or even Grok.com. So let me give you a prompt that you can give to these AIs. For example, you can ask either ChatGPT or Grok this question. Suggest for me 5 online products that I can sell online. Then AI will give you ideas such as phone cases, smartwatches, kitchen tools, gym equipments, And make sure to choose a product that solves a problem, it is affordable, and it is easy to ship. Mose, I don't have money to buy these products. Now listen carefully. You don't need money first to buy these products. You use dropshipping. This is how it works. Customers pays you money. You send orders to suppliers. Suppliers ships to customers. Then you keep the profit. Very simple business model that you can start here in Kenya. Examples of suppliers we have Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, and AliExpress. No storage, no risk. I've done my research and found out that most beginners fail here. Bad description is equal to no sales, and this is very much true. For example, if I'm a customer and I want to buy something, if you don't describe it well, will I buy it? I will not buy it. Now you can use this AI to give you a professional text. You can ask Google Gemini that, can you write for me a high converting product description for this smartwatch? Then boom, these AIs will give you a professional text. Now you can copy that text and then paste it into your product description. So we can say the better the product description, the better the conversion. That is my saying. For images, you can use Midjourney, Canva, or DALL-E. These AI tools can make you clean and attractive images. Another crucial part on your store is to enable payment. This makes it easy for Kenyans to pay, and make sure to test your payment methods before you launch your store. You can enable your M-Pesa payment via Flutterwaves or Paystack. You can also enable your PayPal or even card payment. Once you have enabled those payment methods, another crucial thing is marketing. No marketing equal to no money. Now when it comes to marketing, you can use Facebook or even Instagram ads. You can ask ChatGPT to write prompts for you, then you can copy those prompts and then paste it to AI ad generators. Then they will give you a very stunning ads. You can ask ChatGPT to write for you a Facebook ad for kitchen blenders here in Kenya. Then you can copy that script, then paste it into Nextify.ai. Then this AI will generate video ads for your store within seconds. You can use the link in the description to get 5 free video ads generated for you when you use the link in the description. Now when it comes to TikTok marketing, you can post short videos daily on your product. For example, if you're talking about blenders here in Kenya, you can make short videos about blenders, post them daily on TikTok using AI scripts. Then you can link your store on the bio of your TikTok account. So anyone who is interested in buying that blender, he or she can click using the link in your bio.